Welcome, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize your pages in New Holland screens. So it is easy and simple to do. So what you'll need to do is recheck your, as you can see, your pages, and make sure that you remember which one do you want to change. Click right here, click on the settings, and go to the, you will land on the screen icon, but you will need to go right here, the third one, and here you will be able to select the customized. As you can see, you can create a new preset for your custom pages. So I named A1, I don't know why, but here you can select the pages right here, and here you will be able to select like engine APM, rotor speed, and etc. And right here too you can change it, so it is the first monitor and this is a second monitor. And as you can see, you can select the size like 1:4, 1:5, and etc. So that's how you change and customize your pages in New Holland combine or tractor. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one. Peace.